Hey y'all, I am going to be working on my Volcanic Strength Junk Journal again, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and work on getting the hand-dyed papers altered a little bit. I did get this card stitched, and I made this card off camera to slide into here, and I know I said I was gonna do this pocket setup differently than how it came out, but this is what I decided to do. I will be adding her in just a minute. And then this is the other playing card that I also made a tuck spot for, and this was the journaling card that I made in my previous video, and I decided to tuck her there. And then on the back I did this altered card, which I don't think I'm done with yet. I did go ahead and just backed it onto some black paper and made it a pocket for this journaling card, and I backed that with a page from the kit. So for now she will sit in here. And I want to get these pages altered so that I can get the book stitched together. Let me get her done first though. She's gonna be another pocket. Do need to cut her down just a little bit. I don't know if I want to cut her down that much. I think maybe this much. And I'm going to make her a pocket like this. Yep. So I'm just going to distress the edges with some black soot and distress oxide. To get rid of the white that is showing through. Get her glued on. And for my idea on the pages, I'm going to be using some Stays On ink in jet black. And I have a script stamp. And I still don't have my ring light in yet, and I know it's a little bit dark on my video, but I needed to get some videos done, so it is what it is. Okay. So I'm going to start with this page. And I'm going to get one of my calendar pages from last year's calendar. Go underneath here. stays on ink. And then I have this script stamp. And I'm just going to put some stamping. Along the edges in the center of the paper. Try to mix up the words a little bit. I just want to come out right here a little bit more. A little bit darker on the edge. There. Okay. So that's that side. I want to do this side. Good with that. I keep forgetting to wear gloves when I'm using stays on ink, so this is going to be fun to get off later. Now I'm going to take my black soot. Do I want to do the black soot first? I think I do. I think I do. These edges. I'll pick this up and make this edge like really dark. And I'll just keep working this ink around until I'm happy with it. When I get the streaks smoothed out. come back and hit the edges again to make them darker. Okay, so I will do this work on all of the orange pages. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come back with my archival ink, and I am just barely touching this because I want to add this orange tone in, and this is Tea Rose. And this paper is a little tiny bit textured, so it's just picking it up here and there, which is what I want it to do. And then since I am also picking up a little bit of that black soot, then I'll just clean my little pad off every now and then. Okay. And now I have this, which I like better. So I'll just do a little buff. And this page is done. Now on the gray pages, I am just going to use the black soot, possibly some stays on along the edge if I can't get the black soot dark enough. So I will do all of this to all the pages throughout the journal, and then I'll be back. And I'm also gonna go ahead and use a 3-hole pamphlet stitch to stitch all the pages into the journal, so that I can just work on it. And then I'll be back with another video. So thanks for watching, y'all.